Welcome back, guys. We're back from another video here. We're going to be replacing the can on my 2021 Polaris 850. We're going to be putting a GGB exhaust on it, and we're going to see how it sounds. It should sound really good. It's a mountain can, so it's going to be really loud, but that'll be awesome. So stay tuned for the video.
So what do we got on here right now, Eli?
Alright, so we got the stock can.
Little suitcase.
It is a suitcase can, it's a big boy, and we'll show you what we're putting on here.
Uh-oh.
We got GGB Mountain Can. This thing is going to be crazy. It's size differences. Yeah. That's what we're putting on, so it should be pretty good with that. So this is the only wrench that we could find.
We have actual wrenches, but this
It's
is
a little
better.
big, as you can tell, but
Leverage.
it's called leverage, yes, and we're gonna make it work. So here we go. Get it on there.
We call this leverage because leverage is awesome.
Okay, let's see this. Okay, this is gonna go lefty loosey. Oh my God. Technical difficulties here. Okay.
Get that angle in here.
Right. As you can see,
Now it's loose, and
It's hand loosening.
Eli's gonna crank her loose and pop her up.
Look at that.
There you go.
It's out, and we have some two-stroke coming
Little
out.
smoke coming out.
All right, so now we have a few strings. Oh my God, a few springs here, and I don't know if there's any back here, but
Probably
there most likely is.
Some more hiding in here, but yeah, we'll figure that out.
We'll figure it out. Keep you updated. So yeah, now let's take springs out. All right, so we got our spring puller. So we're gonna check out the springs. We got one here. If I had to guess, 3 back here. So we haven't really looked into that yet, and we'll figure out if there's any more behind it. So we're gonna take the spring puller and pull them out now. So. All right, so here's the first one, guys.
A little dark in the shop right now, but we'll make do with what we got.
Yep. We might grab that light later when we put the aftermarket one on, so you guys can really see what we're working with here. Man, wow, there's one back here, guys. I'm gonna swing on this way. Man, we got that's what we need. We got our springs off here. So there's one here. Kind of weird spot. One here. One in the back. You can see it dangling down there. There's one way back up there. You see? It's down there.
Down around the corner there.
Yep. But it should be out now, so we should be able to. I'm hoping yank it out. All right. Guess we don't need that. So, yeah. I know it slides up. So man. It's alright. Alright. So we concluded we're gonna take these 2 springs off here. Hopefully we can shift this pipe over. Because we need this can has to go straight up.
There's a little hook.
We'll even show you on the aftermarket.
Little hook down there. Right here, there's this hook. It's hooking on there.
Even this one looks like 2.
And yep, this one. And also, if you look right here, not coming off.
Yep. So it's definitely hooked on these 2 guys.
So yeah, we can't get it off the lip. So if we get the spring off, we're thinking we can move the pipe just enough to let that go.
Yep. So we're gonna do that now.
Nice butterfingers.
Always hard to find a spot. That'll work. So we're gonna hook this in here. Number 1. Number 2. All right. Moment of truth. Decent. Why, look at that.
Welcome.
All right. That don't really mean. Ready? Lift up. There could be a. Oh, yep. Wait. Nope, we already got that one. I think it's just a straight up kind of deal. Man, this is big. It's out.
There
Oh
you
my
go.
God. It's heavy. If we had a scale, well, we would weigh it, but we don't got a scale right here.
It's
But,
online. You can look it up if you want.
yep, but it's. I mean, you can even see. I mean, look at the size comparison. All right, so this is our aftermarket. That is humongous.
I mean, that's a size 12 foot.
Huge difference. So, yeah. So here's the aftermarket one. Like you said earlier, it's a GGB exhaust.
Get that bad boy in there.
Yep, we'll put it in here. So let's get the crap. We'll do that after. How about? All right. So as you can see, ooh, looks like it's just a rubber guy here. I'm gonna. That's as good as it's gonna get. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we got this guy, and then here's this, which is right here. So I guess these little cans are a lot easier to get in than the aftermarket. That's it, right? So, all right. Kind of wanna. This rubber thing is weird though. But I mean, oh no, it's in. Okay, I'm just not looking right at it. Right. It is not seated in all this. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's perfect now.
And we just gotta move the pipe. There you go.
Yep.
All right, we'll get this springed up and see how she sounds.
Oh yeah. Okay, we got it installed. So all it is this, 2 springs down here. We had to do one that kind of stretched it pretty far. As you can see, it don't move anywhere. I mean, it's very solid. The other can is a lot bigger, and you can see we have so much more room here. Which
Can went up to give or take
way here. You
here.
can see a wear mark there.
Yep. And then heavier, traps in more heat.
Yep. So yeah, now we're gonna fire it up and see what it sounds like here. Let's do that.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the sound of that can. I think it sounds pretty good. We'll be posting some videos this winter, so stay tuned.